Here's some brand new WhatsApp features that you might not have seen. So first up, you can now make bullet lists. So you can type away and make bullet lists. Next up, you can now also make number lists, just like this. You can also now add block quotes to your messages. And finally, you can now add inline code in your messages, making it stand out. So come with me and I'll show you how to do it. So first, to add a bullet point, you just take a dash and a space, and there you go. It'll add a bullet, and then every time you click on return, it creates a automatic bullet point for you. Next, if you want to make a numbered list, you just click on the number with a period or a full stop and press enter, type in your lists, and automatically it creates a numbered list for you. So next up, if you want to make a block quote, you just use this little arrow symbol there, followed by a space, and then when you start typing your message, it will create a block quote for you. And then finally, for the inline code, you use the backtick symbol, start typing your message, and then another backtick symbol to finish it, and there you go, it turns it into inline code.